So today I'd like to show you how to install a new wiper blade on the Audi A2. I have gone for replacing it with a Bosch item. This is the Bosch wiper blade that I've gone for. It's an AP28U. There is another model available for it, but the AP28U is the one that I've gone for. Bosch are a really good wiper blade. I find they've got really good quality blades, last a good while, and they work for me. I'll leave a link in the description below to get to this wiper blade if you wish to purchase one for your car. The Bosch blade comes like this, fits directly onto there, as so. They come with 4 different brackets that go onto there that allow it to fit different vehicles. And the brackets have different numbers on them. So we have 1, and I think you can guess what's happening next, 2, and 3 inside that one, and 4 sitting on top of that one for the different types of cars that you have. Now, number 1 is the one for the A2. So we take this part, and if we can see, it should go through like that, and then sit in there, sit in there, like this, and sit like that. There we go. Hopefully it should sit like that. We get instructions to show us how to do this in the wiper box itself. So what we need to do is we need to pop number 1 over the top, like that, click it into place so that it's ready to go. And then we can pop that over the end there, gently rock it to get it over the actual rod, and pop it down like this. Take these items away here, take these here away, and pop the wiper blade down, and we find I have the wiper blade in place, and it's locked in place by this little bracket here. So that's it. How to install a wiper blade on an Audi A2, in this case a Bosch AeroTwin, which is really good quality brand, really good quality blade, should last a while, fits directly on, no problem at all. Use item 1 within the kit to be able to do it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment if you wish to know anything more about Audi A2s, or you wish to see any videos in the future about what we can do with these cars. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.